Company records in ACT are used to group several contacts together based upon where they work. If you commonly look up contacts by their organization, or if you track sales and activities that way, company records will help you work effectively. Let's begin by looking at the detail view of a company record. To do this, we'll click Companies in the left navigation, then select any company on your list, and you should see the detail view on the right. If you see a list view of all of your companies, just select one and then click the Detail View button. Visually, you should notice that ACT displays much more information about companies than it does for groups in the top half of the screen. This includes fields like address, phone number, website, and even stock market ticker symbol. There's also an ID status field, which is similar to the one that you've seen in the contact record, but these two fields operate independently. When you change the ID status field on a contact, it won't affect this field on the company record. In the lower half of the screen, you'll see tabs that are similar to what you've seen so far in contacts and groups. The Activities, Opportunities, History, and Notes tabs will all gather information from the individual contacts associated with this company and then roll all of these records up to these tabs in the company record. Unlike the Groups tabs, the company tabs include the following. The Billing and Shipping tab allows you to save separate addresses for both billing and shipping. If we look at the Company Profile tab, you'll see that you can store regional, territory, and division information. You can also gather revenue numbers, an employee headcount, and even a government-based code here. The Company Access tab is just like the Group Access tab. Here you can see who the record manager is. You can view read-only dates on creation and edits, and then you can restrict access level here on this tab as well. The Divisions tab lets you create a type of subgroup for your company. For example, if you had a European division and a North American division, you could set that up here in this tab. And finally, the Web Info tab displays websites pertaining to this company so that you can get this information without having to leave ACT. One final thing to see in companies is the use of linked fields. By using linked fields in the company record, any contact that belongs to this company will automatically have those fields updated to match the fields of the company. Here's how to see the linked fields for a company. Go to the Companies menu bar and then choose View Linked Fields. The Linked Fields window opens and now shows you the fields that are automatically linked from the company to the contacts who belong to this company. This feature is convenient in the event that a company changes its address, phone numbers, or website. All of its linked contacts will automatically be updated when you edit the company record. You can change which of these fields are linked by using the Define Fields tool, and this is an advanced procedure that we'll cover in a future video. So how can you tell if a company record has its fields linked? Well, when viewing the contact, if the company field is blue and underlined, that means that the company is linked to the contact. Companies are a great part of ACT because they're useful for organizing contacts within or collecting information regarding an organization.